Alright, in this lesson we're going to be solving inequalities. So our objective is that the students will solve linear inequalities. Linear meaning that there's no exponent on the x in this case. So you want to solve equations like, or inequalities like equations, but you have to remember that you want to that when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality symbol. So I got a few examples that I'm going to go over before you guys work on the problem set. So our first example is 5w plus 3 is greater than 4w minus 9. Now, to do this, you can always use this side as the variable side. I like to, when dealing with inequalities, so I don't have to deal with those negative numbers as much as possible, is move the lower one. So 4 is smaller than 5, so I'm going to move the 4. I'm going to subtract 4w from both sides. So 5 minus 4 is 1, or just w, plus 3 is greater than negative 9. Then we subtract 3 from both sides, and you get that w is greater than negative 12. So if you were to graph this on a number line, say negative 12 is over here somewhere, since there's no or equal to, that's your open circle. Greater than means you're going to the right, so all our solutions fall like that. Alright, next example. This one's a little bit more challenging. So we have negative 4c is less than or equal to 5c plus 58 over 6. So since this entire thing is over 6, we're going to get rid of that 6 first by multiplying both sides by 6. Cancel there, get negative 24c is less than 5c plus 58. Now I know I said I like to move the smaller one to the bigger one. Negative 24 is smaller than 5, but c is by itself over here. So we're going to move the 5c. So negative 24 minus 5 is negative 29c, which is less than or equal to 58. We're now going to divide by negative 29. Remember, we divided by a negative, so this symbol must flip, and 58 divided by negative 29 is negative 2. Again, on a number line, negative 2, the or equal to means I have a closed circle, greater than means I'm going to the right. Alright, last example for this video. So we have negative 6 times negative 4v plus 3 is less than or equal to 2 times 10v plus 3. Alright, so we got to distribute first. So negative 6 times negative 20, or negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Negative 6 times positive 3 is negative 18. Distribute over here. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, so 20 is smaller than 24. Moving the 20. So that's 4v minus 18 is less than or equal to 6. Add 18. You get 4v is less than or equal to 24. Divide by 4. And v is less than or equal to 6. So again, on a number line, 6 would be over here. Closed circle. Going to the left this time because it was less than. Alright, that's it for this video. There will be another, you want to also watch the next video, the part 2 video, and then complete the problem set. You could do the problems that look like these first if you'd like, and then go watch the other video, or watch the other video first.